Respectable students, I am hopeful that you are as safe as sound. And you might have come from yesterday's work. What we did yesterday, could you remember a little bit? Which model of the verb do we have done yesterday? Yes, please. May. And could you tell me some functions of may? Asking permission, accepting, denying permission, or making wishes, expressing possibility. But today we are going to learn about mind. What are the functions of mind? These are past tense of may. In indirect speech, when there is may, he said, I may help you. He told that he might help me. We change may to might. This is how in indirect speech we are using. The same manner, something is or was possible if any action. Second sentence, as far as something is or was possible. For example, where is Mr. Nadine? He may be might be at home. To show present as well as past as well. When I was in Sky School, for her, listen, when I was in Sky School at that time, the teachers might help me in a different manner. So in the past, you can also make sentence of might. The same way, polite request. You can say, can I come in? May I come in? Might I come in? More polite. It is in a more polite manner. You can also use the function of might. Used to ask permission politely. So politely, when you want to ask permission at that time, might I come in, sir? Might I go outside? Polite suggestion. Let's again make a different sentence. You might call the desk for help. For suggestion, I have, sir, a problem in English language. What should I do? I can say, you might read more and more. You might cooperate with your colleagues while learning. So I give you suggestion. What should I? Okay. So the same manner, you can say, I have got, pain in my leg. You might take medicine, or you might go to the hospital to give suggestions as well. So ask for information when you need some information. Who might she be? Who might she be? Might she be there? Might she be there or not? Or you can say, how might I complete my task? How might I complete my task? To ask information, you can also use might. What might they mix with this solution? What might they mix with this solution? Alright? How might they build up a new house? So to ask information, you can also use might. Show annoyance. When you are annoyed, somebody scold you, and you are angry at that time, and now you are annoyed. You might have told me before going outside from this class. You might have completed your whole task in your fair notebook. You might have completed your task in your notebook. You might have properly listened the lecture. That's why you are in problem now. You might have listened carefully the whole lecture. So these are variety of functions of might, and I'm hopeful you will develop sentences and share with your colleagues and use in your daily practical life all such sentences. Okay, even you can write to develop stories. Okay, stories, to have dialogues with your friends. You can use all these functions. These are very useful, very useful. Suppose you are writing a story. Mice stole the line. You might have, you might have forgiven me. You might have forgiven me. You can code, inverted commas. You can use quote and unquote. So this is how you can use make sentence when you are entering the class. You can use from today onwards as a polite way of asking permission. Might I come in, sir? Might I use your dictionary? Might I have your pen? So I'm hopeful you can make variety of sentences. Thank you very much. Dear students, you might have developed sentences. Now please kindly share with your class fellows. Yes, please.
Something is or was possible. Musharraf might come to school before principal arrives.
Musharraf might come to school before the principal arrived. He showed past possibility. Okay, past, not present possibility. Yes.
I might go on time before bus arrives.
I might go on time before the bus arrival. Good. Next, please.
Used to ask permission. Ali, might I take your book?
Ali, might I take your book? Ali, might I take your book? Good.
Might I go to drink water?
Yes, you might. No, you mightn't. You might not. Yes, you might. Yes.
Might I play cricket?
Might I play? Yes, you might play cricket today. Yes.
Polite suggestion. You might have sent him message. He might have
Message. Yes.
He might have studied books.
He might have studied
Past
books.
tense of may.
Past tense of may. Yes.
She told that she might play football. He said that he might get a job.
He said that he might make a joke. Yes, please. Next, please.
Used to ask permission.
Permission. All right.
Sir, might I go to home?
Might I go to home, sir? Good.
Might I play football?
Yes.
Sir, good.
Okay, please.
Show evidence. Might you leave the traffic? Might you stop the car?
Might you stop the car? Well done.
Might you leave the traffic?
Might you
Leave
believe?
the traffic.
Oh, you are showing annoyance. You can say that you might have played cricket. Not football, you want to say that, not volleyball. You might have played cricket. All right? So it's nice. So, dear students, I am hopeful that this is how you are going to develop variety of sentences to on might and you would use on in your daily practical life.